Everyone's ready?
Everyone's ready.
Yeah, okay, so in this part we are going to practice first touch, okay? So may I have two of you go to the other side of the yellow grid? And two of you get into the middle of the grid? And two of you stay here, okay? So this is what we're going to do. We are going to play first touch here, and we've got 1v1 in the grid. So start from Badio. Badio, you are going to try to receive the ball. Use the first touch to play to the other side, okay? So for example, when you get the ball, and you play to the other side, and you take the ball to the other side, out of the grid, and you fall to the next position, and I come in as a defender, and you are going to take the ball, okay? And we are going to rotate like this. Everyone clear? Got it? So this is how we are going to try to achieve. When you are trying to get the ball to the other side, use your first touch. Try to create some space for you to get the ball. How can you do that? Move, okay. So if you move, how can your teammates know where to pass the ball to you? Yeah, point to it and call for the ball. Yeah, good. So if you are going to move, how can you guys help him to pass the ball to you more easily? Good. So everyone clear? Let's start it now. Good one, good one. Can we keep the ball running faster, guys? Keep the rotation faster. Good try, good try. Keep moving on, move on, move on. Get another one, get another one. Try to move to get the ball. Try to move to get some space. You go in there, go in there. Okay, stop here. Sean, you come back here. Okay, Sean, watch here. So if you would like to get the ball, he give you a lot of pressure, right? How can you create some space to get the ball? Okay, so can you do this again? You move and you serve the ball in. Right, try to get the ball facing forward, okay? Everybody clear? Let's keep on. Doesn't matter. Do it again. No worries, keep on, move on. Guys, focus, keep the rotation faster. Let's go. Porfeo, let's go. Nice one. Keep going. Move on. Guys, when you are using your first touch, try not to stop the ball. Do it again. Quick. No worries, keep on, keep on. Keep the rotation, keep the rotation. Do it again, do it again. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you are asking ball in the grid, you can try to use your gestures to tell your teammates, okay? Move on, move on. Let's go. Can we try to get the ball facing forward? Good try, good try. Do it again, do it again. Not bad, not bad. Stop here for a second. Guys, if you want to move to create some space, you can try this. You can try to push the defender away and then show it up again, okay? And to get the ball forward. Or you can just try to feint your move. So for example, when Rafael marks me all up and follows me to here, you can go this way and to get the ball. Okay? Try to make yourself more unpredictable. Let's go. No worries, no worries. Move on, move on. Nice one, nice move. Keep playing on, don't stop. Good run, good run, good run. It's better. Sean, remember, try to keep the communication, okay? Remember to keep rotation, guys. Who's next? Who's next? Remember, we are trying to get the ball forward. Good run, good run. You are getting it. Who's next? Next one, let's go, let's go. Who's next? Do it again, do it again. Stop it, you come back here, come back here, you come back here. Guys, show him where to cut and show him where you are going to move. Good, let's do it again, let's go. No worries, keep on, move on, let's go, let's go. Guys, try to push the defenders further to create you some space to receive the ball, okay? Good, good. Wait. Do it again. Move on, next one, let's go. Keep the rotation, guys, keep the rotation. Good run. Wait, guys, stop here. Let's try. If you can use your first touch to take on the defender, okay? If you are moving this way and the defender is falling in, try to use your first touch to get the ball to either side, to this side or possible here. Try to get forward. Okay, try to see if you can use the first touch to commit the defender. Let's try it, let's go. Good. Next one. Good turn. Play on, guys. Before the next one starts, try to push the defender away, okay? Try to get the defender further to get more space, okay? Then you get up to check in to receive the ball. Let's go. Move on. It's a good turn, unlucky. That was really nice, James. Last 1 minute. Do it again. Let's do it again. Next one. Let's go. You do it again? Can we do it again? Let's go, keep moving on. Next time, you can try to push the defender away further, okay? There's too little space for you. Okay, guys, from now on, if you can't get the ball to facing forward for the first time, you can play back to the server and you guys to play again, okay? Make a run. Good. Let's go. Play on. Still try to get the ball with your first touch facing forward. Shaw, are you okay? Shaw, are you okay? Yeah, good. Good run. you have already get a chance to face forward, right? Make it easy. Play on, play on, play on. It's a good fan, no worries, no worries. Keep on, keep on. Guys, keep on the rotation. Get into your position, guys. Quick, quick. Last 1 minute. Good turn, Sean, good turn. You get some space, try to face forward. It's good, it's good. Defender, mark him on, defender, mark him on. Remember, try to push the defender away a little bit, okay? Get more space. Okay, stop here. Guys, can we get Rafael to the other side of the yellow grid? And may I have 2 orange and 2 blue in the grid? Can we move here to this grid? To this side? Okay, this is what we're going to do. And orange, you are going to try to play the ball from this side to Rafael, okay? And blue, you are trying to get the ball from Rafael and play to George. Everyone clear? Yeah, still remember what we just practiced. Try to create some space. If you get the ball, if you tackle the ball, play back to your side and try to play out again, okay? Let's start from Josh, okay? Let's go. Rafael. Play on, play on, play on. You are out of the grid. Play on, play on, play on. Good one. Yeah, orange. Blue, count your points, you got 1. Blue 2, can we get the ball facing forward? Orange, orange. See if you can. 2-1. Sean, try to get the ball facing forward. Stay on, guys. Defender, can we mark them all? Orange, do it again. Rafael? It's too easy, guys. 3-1. If you can't play forward, you can play back. Last 1 ball. Three, two, let's go, play on. Good one. Okay, stop here. George, can you switch with James here? Yep. Sean, need some rest?
Can I rest?
Yep, I'm sorry. Sean,
Yeah.
can you switch with Raphael? Yep. Okay guys, listen. You get the ball back. Defenders, can we mark the opponents up, okay? Don't let them get the ball too easy. And if you get the ball, if you try to play out, you can try to push the defenders back, okay? And get you more space and check off to get the ball. Everyone good? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Good one. That's a good run, Raphael. You play back first. When you get the ball, play back first. That's no count. Let's go. Keep on playing. Can we make some runs? Play off. Shaw, get the ball. If you can play forward, play back. Nice one. Good, 1-1, last 1 minute. Stop here, Shen. Hold on a second. Hey, Blue. You see the... Raphael, you come in here. You come in here. So Blue, you see, this is a very tiny space, right? How can we just get more space to receive the ball? Spread out and to move up a little bit, okay? So what will happen if you guys move up a little bit? Yeah, and what will the defenders do? Yeah, okay, so can you guys move up more? Move on a little bit. Yeah, and you can try to go back to receive the ball, right? Let's go. Nice try. To play back first. Good. That's a good touch, George. To play back first. Good. That's a good turn. Last one ball.